If the radio, stereo, or audio system on your 2007 to 2010 Ford Edge stopped working or has no power, don't replace the head unit just yet. Here is every fuse you need to check first. First, locate your interior fuse box inside the cabin. It's located down under the driver's side dashboard near the brake pedal. Keep in mind, whether your Edge has the standard base radio or the factory navigation screen, they both use the exact same main fuses. Now, let's check the fuses. Check fuse 39, a 20-amp fuse that controls main power to the radio head unit itself. If your radio completely cuts out or turns off when you turn the key to start the engine, check fuse 28, a 5-amp fuse controlling the radio start signal. If your Edge is equipped with the factory subwoofer or audio amplifier and you have no sound, check fuse 38, a 20-amp fuse feeding power to the subwoofer and amplifier. Now, if your car is equipped with optional feature packages like factory navigation, satellite radio, or premium sound, check these two extra fuses. Check fuse 13, a 5-amp fuse that powers the satellite radio and navigation module. Base models will not use this fuse. And check fuse 18, a 20-amp fuse feeding dedicated power to the external audio amplifier. Did one of these fuses fix your Ford Edge radio? Drop a comment down below, letting me know which one was blown.